Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious soup noodles at home. We'll start by building a rich, aromatic broth from scratch, ensuring every spoonful is packed with flavor. Then, we'll explore different noodle options and discuss how to cook them perfectly. Finally, I'll guide you through preparing delightful toppings to complete your ultimate noodle bowl. The heart of any great soup noodle dish is its broth. Begin by simmering your chosen bones, such as chicken or pork, with aromatics like onions, ginger, and garlic for at least 2 hours. This slow process extracts maximum flavor. Remember to skim any impurities that rise to the surface. Adjust seasoning with a pinch of salt and a splash of soy sauce to taste. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this guide on making delicious soup noodles, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Quick recommendation. Just like a well-made broth enriches your meal, a good book can enrich your life. Check out The Simple Path to Wealth. It truly changes how you think about money. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's talk noodles. You have many fantastic options, from chewy ramen to thick udon or delicate rice vermicelli. Always cook your noodles in a separate pot of boiling water, following the package instructions precisely to achieve that perfect al dente texture. Once cooked, a quick rinse under cold water helps prevent them from clumping together. The toppings are where you can truly personalize your soup noodles. Think about adding thinly sliced cooked pork, a perfectly soft-boiled egg, or some crispy tofu. Fresh scallions, cilantro, and a drizzle of chili oil can elevate the flavors. To assemble, place your cooked noodles in a bowl, ladle over the hot broth, and arrange your delicious toppings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.